Snowblind malware specifically targets apps that handle sensitive user information like the banking credentials. This makes it particularly dangerous for anyone who uses online banking on their Android devices. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The Snowblind malware leverages a security feature called SecComp to manipulate its way around standard security checks within apps. This allows it to operate undetected for a longer period. The malware injects malicious code to monitor your screen and potentially capture login credentials or interrupt banking sessions. This could allow attackers to steal your money or take control of your accounts. Snowblind and can potentially bypass two-factor authentication and other security measures, making it even easier for attackers to gain unauthorized access. The malware operates quietly in the background, so you might not even realize it's on your device. This can give it more time to steal your data before you detect it. This malware now targets Android devices to steal banking information. Discovered by cybersecurity firm Promon, this malware can capture your banking login details and perform unauthorized transactions. People usually get this virus by downloading a malicious app that looks legitimate. The malware repackages an app to avoid detection and misuses accessibility features to steal sensitive information and control the app remotely. Unlike other Android malware, Snowblind bypasses Android's built-in security by exploiting a feature called SecComp in the Linux kernel, which is supposed to check for tampering. This sophisticated technique allows Snowblind to evade detection and operate stealthily on the infected devices. Let's look into today's headlines. OpenAI's new Critic GPT can spot errors and bugs in AI generated code. OpenAI has introduced Critic GPT, a new AI model that can help identify mistakes in code generated by ChatGPT. The tool will improve the process of alignment in AI systems and will eventually make the outputs from large language models more accurate. Built using their flagship AI model GPT-4, Critic GPT was built to help human AI reviewers at checking code generated by ChatGPT. Lenovo announces next-gen enterprise AI solutions and advanced liquid cooling. Lenovo has unveiled new comprehensive enterprise AI solutions designed to help any company develop and deploy AI with turnkey services, business-ready vertical solutions, and energy-efficient innovations that accelerate the practical application of AI. The expansion includes new comprehensive services with NVIDIA through the Lenovo AI Center of Excellence, new validated AI innovator solutions from Pocket to Cloud, and the sixth generation of Lenovo Neptune liquid cooling. Illegal online gambling in India is expected to grow by 30%. Illegal betting and gambling activity in India, according to a recent report, are expected to grow at 30% in coming years. The factors responsible for this are inadequate legal framework, selective banning, as well as high taxation on legitimate online gaming platforms. Despite regulatory restrictions, the illegal betting market receives an estimated $100 billion per annum in deposits. Illegal operators are also taking advantage of the new tax regime, which levies 28% tax on deposits on legitimate gaming platforms. Microsoft's $13 billion investment into OpenAI comes under EU scrutiny. Microsoft Corp's $13 billion investment into OpenAI Inc. is set to come under added scrutiny from the European Union's antitrust body. The EU will quiz rivals about the AI firm's exclusive use of Microsoft's cloud technology and has therefore ruled out an investigation under the EU's merger rules into the deal. The EU will also circulate questions to the market on Google's arrangement with Samsung Electronics company to pre-install its small model Gemini Nano on certain devices. Google rolls out Gemini AI to its messaging app. Google has begun integrating Gemini AI to its messaging app to enhance functionality and user interaction directly within chats. This development follows Google's recent announcement and the initial introduction of Gemini AI on other platforms like Gmail. The Gemini AI integration aims to streamline user experience by providing quick access to artificial intelligence capabilities without leaving the Messages app. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.